So, once again, for the people that like to claim that I'm always wrong and that I always buy at the wrong times and that I always encourage people to buy at the wrong time. First of all, I rarely, and I'm going to say rarely because I just recently did it, I rarely tell people to buy a cryptocurrency. I rarely tell people that you have to own it or you should own it at these levels, right? I'm usually going through and telling you what I will do, what I have done, and also about different price levels that seem interesting. But I never tell you that you have to buy it. However, more recently, I did. I did say that. I went out of my comfort zone and said, you need to own XRP at these levels. You need to buy XRP right now. And guess what? At that time, there were people that were like, you're wrong. Don't buy it. Never own XRP. It's going way below $1. And guess what happened? It did the opposite. Now, did I know that this would happen more short term? No. I was thinking more long term for sure. But it's good to see that it kind of happened within the realm, within a week of me mentioning you should purchase XRP. You should own XRP. So I want to rub it in to anybody who's out there. Go ahead, feel free to say whatever you were going to say. To anybody who's out there that said, no, you shouldn't own it, and that this is a mistake, you shouldn't buy it. Because if you did, you made a decent profit just in the last week. Now, am I thinking short term? No, I'm thinking long term. So I don't really look at it as you should sell right now. But however you see fit, whatever you see in a game, anybody would love to have that type of a game. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, please do so. That link will be down in the description. If you use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonus up to $10,055. You can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, trade up to a 250x leverage all the way, with no VPN and no KYC that's required. So if you want to do that, you want to check it out, go ahead and do it. The link will be down there in the description. It is a really good platform. I've been using it for over 2 years at this point. But again, I put out a video, right? If we go to my channel here and just look at the different videos that we had, right? The video or different videos in the last 6 days, I made a number of XRP videos. One sitting at about 1.5 thousand views, and it was 6 days ago. It says, buy XRP right now. Don't miss out. And when I started this video, the first thing that I said, and I don't know if you can hear the audio, but I will try and play it. The first thing that I said was, I never do this, right? I'm never a person to tell you, hey, buy this. So I started it out by telling you, I don't tell you to buy it, right? I'm not going to tell you to own anything. However, buy XRP right now. Buying at $1 is a steal of a price, is what I said. No matter if it does go lower, no matter if it does go to a 90-cent level, a 80-cent level, buying at $1 is a phenomenal level to have XRP at. And you will make a massive profit in the long run. Little did I know that you would make a pretty sizable profit before you even get past a week. Pretty interesting, right? Because currently we're seeing XRP sitting at $1.33. In the last week, it is up 32.5%. Did I know that this would be the case? No. I'm going to say it a billion times. Did I know that this would be the case within this short period of time? No. But it is showing me what I expected to have happen over maybe a little bit longer of a period of time, to happen in a short period of time just to be able to get those answers, right? 32 or almost 33% of a gain in the last week, an $83 billion market cap, almost $7 billion worth of volume, 550,000 holders with the 63 billion coins that's in circulation. This looks really, really good. And if you are looking for a short-term profit, you just easily turn to profit. If you put $10,000 in there, that turned to it added $3,300. If you put $100,000 in there at a dollar because you thought it was an absolute steal, you gained $33,000. If you put $1,000 in there, you gained $330. I was going to say thousand. $330. You gained 33% of what you had in extra money if you decided to do that short term. So was I wrong? No. We can say I wasn't wrong. We can say that a dollar is a good price. Even at this short term, a dollar is a good price. At the long term, a dollar is going to be a phenomenal price. So who was wrong there? Was it the people that said you're making a dumb mistake for purchasing this and that it's going to go down a lot further? Where are you at? Did you buy it? Did you buy anything? Or did you short it? Like you said, are you part of the $2.7 billion that shorted XRP and shorted BTC and shorted Ethereum? Are you part of those people? Maybe, probably. Actually, most definitely you are a part of those people that said, I'm shorting it. I'm going to make my money. Guess what? You probably lost all of it. Okay? Because shorting it, as you're doing it, is about the short term. Buying it could be about the short term. It could be about the middle ground, middle of the road. It could be about the long term or ultra long term. It could be about forever. You have a place in this position for as long as you want it to go. Shorting it, you can lose an endless amount of money. You can gain a finite amount of money. You can lose an endless amount of money. Right? Because it goes down to zero, you gain whatever you can gain when it does hit zero. If it goes up to $1, to $2, to $3, to 10, to 20, to 30, to 100, you can lose endless amounts of money by you deciding to short it. So I think the opposite way, being able to gain an endless amount and lose a certain amount, I'm all about that. So again, I was right. I don't want to gloat or do that, but I feel as though with the comments that come through, if I don't mention these things, hey, I was right here, I was right there, I was right here, I was right there, they hyper focus in on something that can go negative. And then they're like, you're always wrong. I'm not. Buying XRP below $1 is a phenomenal price. Buying XRP at $1 is a phenomenal price. And it will always be the case. XRP is going to be worth way more than where it stands here today. So $1.33 is going to look like nothing compared to the prices that we get to. And if you decide to short it wherever you're shorting it, in the long term, your losses are going to look astronomical. So anyways, I'm hype about today. I'm hype about the movement, and I want to see more of it. But yeah, I put out that video a week ago. I didn't expect it to happen in a week. I expected this movement, but not in a week. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you're benefiting from this trade, from buying XRP. If you bought at $1 and you own more, let me know if you're benefiting from it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.